All right, we're back with another little agricultural project. Been doing a lot of researching and watching videos on YouTube on different methods of hydroponics, and one of them caught my interest. Well, really several of them, and we're going to end up duplicating a lot of that stuff here soon enough. But one of them is a setup where it doesn't use any pumps, really. More or less, you have your plant in a sort of medium, in this case pool noodles, really just to hold the stem of the plant in place while the roots are in a position where they get to taste off of the fertilizer water solution in the container, while at the same time getting plenty of oxygen. They're not completely submerged nor completely dry, and from what I've seen other people doing, this method is actually successful. They use the same kind of concept in these grow towers where pumps are used to spray water on the roots to feed them and wet them up while they go through some minor dry periods to get oxygen. But we're going to duplicate a little setup here, and this is just basically going to be a couple of little grow cups, little salvage planter cups here. I'm going to cut a couple holes here, and we're going to do a test with these leftover okra plants. I just want to see how this crap is actually going to grow in here. So we're going to make a little setup. Even if our okra doesn't grow in here, there's a whole bunch of other plants that will work in this type of application, especially a small one like this. So we're just going to go ahead and get started on this, which to start off, go ahead and draw a couple little holes where these cups will go in, make them a smidge wider so the cup is maybe about halfway into the hole here. Then what we're going to end up doing, I'm probably going to wind up cutting the bottom of this out for the most part. Then we're going to take our pool noodle here, cut maybe about, I would say 2 inches, 2.5 inches of the noodle. Take our plants, bust most of the dirt from around the roots, and then slit these pool noodle pieces lengthwise so I could wrap the pool noodle around the root base, and then put that whole setup into the cup without the bottom, and then take some of our plant solution and mix it up, put it in here, put it all together, and set it in a spot that's not completely sunny, not shady, because here where it's hot as hell, too much sun is probably worse than not enough sun. So gonna go ahead and get started, draw a couple holes here, cut these holes out real quick, and then get back to you in a second. Stand by. All right, got our holes cut in our lid right here, as well as the bottoms of our cups. And as you can see, they sit about halfway. Now I have some water in here now, just to kind of get a rough idea of how this thing would sit. As you can see, the very bottom of the cup is in the water solution, so our plants aren't going to be completely in water. The bottoms of the root base will be touching the water, giving them just enough water to start growing, and then eventually they're going to start reaching out and everything and start slurping up more water, nutrients, and all that. But got our pool noodles right here. These things are actually already cut, so we can start assembling some. I just got to break the dirt off of those things and get those roots opened up, and we can get this all set up. So stand by again. All right, we got our plant food solution mixed up. Looks like crap water, but anyway, we also have our okra plant with all the dirt broken off from around the root, and the whole thing in the pool noodle with some of the root exposed. Same thing right here. So now we can go ahead, close this thing up, and stick our plants in this and put them in a nice little spot somewhere, and let's just see how this thing turns out. So yep, simple little setup. Take a look underneath right there. Obviously this will be on a more level surface, but you could see it's able to at least lick up some of the solution while not being completely submerged. So, yep, simple little hydroponic setup. Do a little update video on this to see how this setup works, because there's a lot of variables with this type of plant food you use, how much sun the plants get, number of things. So even though other people have done the same thing, we're going to do our own testing to see what works first and what doesn't, and perfect some of this stuff. So as usual, like, subscribe, notifications, website, TikTok, all that good stuff, and stand by for updates and future videos on more crap around here. Till then, catch you later. I'm out.